Hi, welcome to Machine Learning Basics presented by Heka. This is my second video on machine learning series, and today's topic will cover machine learning categories. You can watch my first video to learn the basics and introduction to machine learning. Agenda for today's topic include categories of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Machine learning models are broadly classified into three types based on what type of training set they have. The three types are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, as the name suggests, uses historical labeled data to predict the future events. For unsupervised learning, information used to train is neither classified or labeled. Reinforcement learning is the training of machine learning models to make a sequence of decisions. The computer employs trial and error to come up with a solution to a problem. The machine either gets a reward or a penalty based on the action. The goal is to maximize the total reward, and in the process, it automatically learns what to do, how to do the right thing. Let's now get into the details of each categories. In the supervised learning, the labeled training data is used to train the model. For example, in the stock price prediction, date and stock price is provided, and the stock price for the future date needs to be predicted. Supervised learning can be further grouped into regression and classification problems. In regression model, output variable is real value and it's always continuous. This technique finds a linear relationship between the input and the output variable. In classification model, the output is discrete. Spam email detection and classifying the handwritten alphabets into proper computer characters are the examples of classification model. Unsupervised learning is based on data that has no historical data with labels. It's finding the structure to the input data. No training set is available for these types of learning, and also output is unknown. Market campaigns that predicts right customers and classifying the fruits from fruit basket are the examples of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning problems can be further grouped into clustering and association problems. Clustering is grouping of data points such as customer segmentation, fraud detection, and document classification. Whereas association is describing rules that describe large portion of data and finding the data association and correlation. When customer buys a milk and bread together, they usually tend to buy eggs along with it. This is one of the example of association model. Reinforcement learning is a very interesting one, which is often used in robotics, gamings, and navigation. The algorithm discovers through trial and error for an action taken. In the reinforcement learning, agent, environment, and actions are the key things to note. Self-driving car, autopilot flight are examples of reinforced learning. With this, I have come to the end of the session. Thanks for watching the video.